Hey guys, Google Pixel 8a exclusive. First look at the upcoming mid-range powerhouse with a Google Tensor G3 chip. Google recently launched the Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 8 Pro on 4th October. The phone comes with lot of AI features in the camera section. Now we have a Google Pixel 8a 360-degree video in association with a one leak which reveals the phone's design from all angles. Let's now talk about the Google Pixel 8a design in details. The display also seems to have a 2.5D curved glass on top. The USB Type-C port and stereo speaker are located on the bottom edge. The power button and volume button also have a right side, and the Google logo is located on the back. Finally, the SIM tray can be found on the left. Cellular antenna band are visible on the top, left and right hand side edges of the phone. Let's now talk about the specification. The Pixel 8a comes with 6.1-inch flat screen. Maybe it will be also come with the 90Hz and 120Hz display, with a whole punch-hole camera cutout on the top of the display. The bezel remember me of the Galaxy A54 and Galaxy S23 FE. And the back, the phone comes with two camera sensors, main sensor and ultra-wide. Of course, the phone comes with the Google Tensor G3 chipset with Mali G715 GPU, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and run on Android 14, and also reveal Geekbench score. The Pixel 8a achieved a single core score of 1218 and a multi-core score of 3175. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.